Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we're going to explore a super efficient way to boost your productivity by learning how to create Asana task from email. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple tasks and struggling to keep them organized, this tutorial is just what you need. Let's make task management easier and more streamlined by integrating your emails with Asana. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a busy workday and an important task request comes through via email. Instead of manually entering this task into your Asana project, wouldn't it be amazing if you could simply convert that email into a task with just a few clicks? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover today. To kick things off, we need to access the Asana homepage. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana login page. It's here where our journey begins. You'll notice a straightforward login section as soon as you arrive. This is our starting point. Begin by entering your email address. Remember, it should be the same email linked to your Asana account. This is important because it allows you to access your specific tasks and projects. Once you've input your email, go ahead and hit that continue button. This action will guide you seamlessly onto the next step in the login process. Now it's time to enter your password. Make sure you use the correct password associated with your Asana account to steer clear of any login hiccups. After entering your password, click on the login button to move forward. You should now find yourself on the Asana homepage. Think of this as the central hub for all your task-related activities. The next step is to choose a project where you want to add tasks. Click on your desired project, and this will open up additional options for you to explore. Here you'll notice a menu or header dropdown. Click on that to reveal more choices. Among these options, you'll find the import feature. Go ahead and click on it and then select the email option. This step is vital, as it instructs Asana that you intend to create tasks via email. At this stage, Asana will provide you with a unique email address. This email address is your gateway for sending tasks directly into your project. It's a powerful and efficient feature, so ensure you either memorize this email address or save it somewhere secure. Now, let's create a task through email in your My Tasks section. Simply send an email to the special Asana email address you noted earlier. You can type the name of the task in the subject line and add any additional task details in the body of the email. By default, when you send an email to this Asana address, it will perfectly create a task within the workspace or organization that's linked to your chosen email in the Email Forwarding tab. This means every time you need to add something new to your task list, you can just send an email and let Asana handle the rest. And there you have it. Your Asana project is now set up to receive tasks directly from your email. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures your task management process is as seamless as possible, allowing you to focus on what's truly important. Thank you for joining us today at PMN Online. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create Asana task from email. If you want more videos like how to create Asana task from email, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.